How to clear facial pores naturally for women. In this video, you will learn that clogged pores are not inevitable. Fortunately, it is easy to get around this common problem. The simple tips we provide in this video will allow you to say goodbye to clogged pores. Dilated or obstructed pores often appear on the forehead, nose and chin. These enlarged pores can spoil your appearance and cause you to apply several layers of powder and foundation to hide them, which will only make them worse. It is better to try to solve this problem otherwise. The most common cause of their appearance is the excessive activity of the sebaceous glands. With a type of oily skin, a large amount of sebum is released. As a result, the pores get bigger, and if you do not treat this problem in time, acne can appear. The pores are what allows the skin to breathe and reject sebum and sweat. The problem is that sometimes they become clogged and create black spots, or even pimples. Pores expand for several reasons. The sun, first, since the heat, in general, opens the pores of the skin. It also dilates when you skip a lot of makeup at night before going to sleep, when you do excess alcohol and tobacco, you're dehydrated or you force a little too much on the skin, makeup, or when using unsuitable care that dries the skin. As a result, the T-zone and part of the cheekbones are endowed with disgraceful dilated pores, while we all dream of having a peach skin. During the summer period, we must be more vigilant that we tend to want to tan, to find that the sun is doing well with this tan. But, at the beginning, it is the return of stick. Without care and without precautions, we are left with blackheads and acne, because the pores that have been happily opened by the heat have had time to clog. When the skin is oily or mixed naturally, it's even more inevitable. The sebum is difficult to drain, the dead cells and other impurities are lodged in the cavity of the pores, enlarge them, and create the blackheads and acne. Steps to counteract dilated pores. 1. Cleanser. The first thing to do daily, without fail, is to remove makeup at the end of the day. No need to wait until bedtime, the more natural the skin, the better it will breathe. 2. Clean. After removing makeup, do not neglect to clean the skin with organic micellar water. Rose, laurel, lavender, they all have specific properties. 3. Unclog. A weekly scrub removes dead cells and impurities that lodge in the pores. For even more efficiency, it can be followed by a mask with green clay that will suck in depth. 4. Treat. The skin needs to be treated. For this, there are astringent lotions or serums that will then tighten the pores and thus make them less visible. 5. Hydrate. We cannot repeat it enough, we must moisturize his skin morning and evening with a specific cream for the day and one for the night. And drink water to hydrate it from the inside. 5. Camouflage. Finally, for those in a hurry, if the pores have not yet tightened enough and remain too visible, you can bet on a fluid foundation or a BB cream with blooming effects of instantaneous pores. Natural recipes. To perform its care, it is also possible to use natural and organic products to create masks and homemade lotions. Honey and lemon. 1 tablespoon of honey and a lemon juice will make an ideal mask to unclog pores and tighten them. Avocado and olive oil. The mixed flesh of avocado with a tablespoon of olive oil will nourish the skin and give it all the vitamins to be radiant. Yogurt and honey. A natural yogurt mixed with liquid honey for 20 minutes is a great help to close the dilated pores. Egg white. A lightly whipped egg white is self-sufficient to detoxify the skin and remove impurities that clog pores and enlarge them. For these recipes to be even more effective, it is advisable to use organic products or ingredients. Rinse the masks gently with warm water and then clean the skin with a cotton pad soaked in floral water. Our skin is constantly confronted with sweat, dirt, excess sebum and makeup deposition, so it's no wonder that the question of clogged pores comes back frequently to most of us. To learn more about other products to unclog pores, please click some links below this video. We really hope you like this video, please share it with your friends. Also, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you will not miss our next videos. Thank you.